Hey guys, it's R.V.C here and I'm back again with another video. I have been purchasing true wireless earbuds of lately and I did it again, but this time it's not from a recognized brand. I got them from AliExpress and they were less than 20 bucks. Anyway, let's look what we get for the price. At the back of the packaging, we have the specifications of the earbuds. We can see the charging case, which can also be used as a power bank. The earphones are compatible with iPhones, iPods and iPads. I will test them with an iPhone. Anyway, pause the video if you want to read all the specifications. One of the sides of the packaging, we have the different color options available for the earphones. The other side of the packaging, we have some features about the earphones. Well, with all that being said, let's proceed with the unboxing, which is pretty simple and everything is inside the packaging. Let's see the contents inside. We get a user manual. Just to get the basics, you can go through it, and it's in English and Chinese. We get extra silicone ear tips, as usual, small and large. A micro USB cable to charge the storage unit is also included. Finally, we get the storage unit, which is also the charging cradle for the earbuds. And by the way, it resembles a Pixel phone with two-tone materials. No magnetic mechanism to open or close the charging cradle, and no branding, which is awesome. The storage unit is actually smaller and thinner compared to the Huawei T85. Here is a side-by-side comparison. Well, now let's look at the earbuds. They are really small and light. They are made from plastic, that's why they are so light. They are smaller than the Huawei T85. They fit perfect in the case and they light red when they are charging. Pairing is same as other brands. Once you remove them from their case, they enter pairing mode and they flash red and blue. How about sound quality? The overall sound quality is awesome, although they're not that loud. By the way, they are rated at 4 hours of continuous music listening. Anyway, sincerely speaking, if you want true wireless earbuds with awesome sound quality but cheaper, then get these. I can recommend them to anyone. Well, for now that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please drop it in the comment box below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Share this video, and I guess I'll have to see you in the next one. Bye.